Jerusalem artichokes in olive oil. Finely peel the Jerusalem artichokes using a small knife. Chop the 2 carrots into 4 equal strips, then roughly chop into chunks. Cut the onion into 8 equal pieces. Add the following ingredients to a medium-sized pot in the order listed: chopped onions, carrots, Jerusalem artichokes, 2 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1½ tablespoons of sugar. Add 360 milliliters of hot water. Cover all the ingredients with a piece of greaseproof paper covered by a small plate, then put the lid on the pan. Leave cooking in the covered pan for 25 minutes on medium heat until cooked. Serve warm or cold.